Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video we are going to solve this limit if limit x tending to 0. So we will solve this limit by two methods, but before that we will just check whether this limit is of which indeterminate form. So if we will put x is equal to 0 in this function, so it will become 0, it will become 1 plus 0 under root minus 1. So we can write this as 0 divided by 0 form. So this is an indeterminate form. So to solve this we will use two methods. First method we can get answer from both methods. So first method we will use l-hopital's rule. In l-hopital's rule, what we will do, if the limit has the indeterminate form of 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, then what we will do, so suppose this is the limit, let x tending to 0 fx by gx, and it has 0 by 0 form, then we can differentiate the numerator and denominator function separately and put the limit again. So we can write this as f dash x divided by g dash x, right? So if we will differentiate the numerator separately, so we will get 1 because differentiation of x is 1, and if we will differentiate the denominator separately, so what we will get? We will get 3 divided by 2 under root of 1 plus 3x. And now we have to put the limit of x tending to 0 again. So if you will put x tending to 0 in this, so it will become 1 divided by 3 divided by 2 under root 1. So it will become 1. So we can write this as 2 by 3. So the limit of this algebraic entity is 2 by 3 at x tending to 0. Now we will use the second method, that is method of rationalization. Since the denominator is in the under root form, so we will rationalize it. So to rationalize, what we will do? First we will write the function. So it is, right? So now if we will multiply and divide this function by the same entity by just changing the sign of this quantity, so we will put a plus in between. So it will become 1 plus 3x plus 1. So we will use the formula of a minus b multiply by a plus b is equal to a minus b square, where a is 1 plus 3x under root and b is 1. So if we will just solve this function, so we will get it as limit of x tending to 0. We can write this as x under root of 1 plus 3x plus 1 and now if we will multiply this term by this term, so we will get a square minus b square. So because it is of a minus b and a plus b format, so we have to square a, so it will become 1 plus 3x because square root of root, so the square root will be removed and then it will be minus 1 because 1 square is 1. So 1 will be cancelled by 1, so it will become 3x only, and x will be cancelled by x. So if we will further solve this, what we will get? We will get limit x tending to 0. This will become 1 plus 3x under root plus 1 divided by 3. So if we will put x is equal to 0 here, so it will become under root 1 whose value is 1 plus 1 2. So the answer will be 2 by 3. So through both methods we are getting the same answer. It means we have solved the question correctly. So if you want to ask any other doubt on the limit or calculus, you can just visit my website and post your doubt there. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.